Hello, Malans. Today, I'm gonna make spicy pork side ribs. We're gonna use side ribs this time, but here's the thing: if you can't find it, that's totally fine. You can use any kind of ribs, even beef ribs if you want to. So, don't be afraid. All you have to do is just cut the meat between the bone side. Make sure you're leaving the even meat for each bone. We're gonna brine it in the water with some salt, vinegar, and sugar. One of the main reasons we are doing this is we wanna make sure wash up any impurities or any scraps of bones in there, and B, season the meat prior to cooking. For this recipe, you're gonna see a lot of garlics involved. I mean, we love garlics, right? Nobody hates garlics, but um, please adjust the amount of garlic when you're cooking this. I would say I love garlic so much, and yeah, there's a lot. And also, when you are making this, if you are not fan of the spicy food, please make sure adjust the amount of the serrano pepper as well as the chili powder. I mean, like I said, I'm not very fan of the spicy, but I believe I can handle a little bit more than usual people. So please keep that in mind. If you don't have a corn syrup at home, that's totally fine. Just replace it with the sugar. And also, if you don't have tashida at home, that's totally fine. This ingredient is totally optional. But make sure you are putting some soy sauce and a salt. This is gonna control some saltiness as well as the umami flavor in the sauce. Also, if you don't have mirin, that's totally fine. Any cooking alcohol will work. Now, after we brine them, we're gonna fill up with the fresh water, bay leaves, whole peppercorn, and some garlic, and I'm gonna simmer for 15 minutes. The reason why we are doing this, because we wanna make sure there's no leftover pork smell, like gamey smell on it. So if you are fan of those tastes, that's totally fine. You can skip this part. We're gonna use pressure cooker to cook this because I want to make sure that the meats are soft and just get right out of the bone itself. Even bone itself is like almost mushy if you bite it. If you don't have a pressure cooker, that's totally fine. You're gonna put in the pot with a low heat. We're gonna slow cooking it. It takes about say 3 to 4 hours usually. Depends how much amount you're cooking, until the bone itself is separating from the meat. And we're gonna make rice bowl this time because this recipe that I'm making for the spicy ribs is really spicy. So I need something to calm my mouth down to kill some spiciness out of it. Very simple recipe. You can put anything you want. If you want to put some spam, I love spam by the way, and you can want to put some egg, sure, go ahead. If you don't like sesame oil, that's totally fine. Just be creative. After we pressure cook it for 45 minutes to 1 hour or slow cook it, it's ready to eat. But I want to make sure reduce it down a little bit further so we can get those concentrated, spicy, umami, and savory flavor, making like almost like sauce. Also, we're gonna stick with the meat itself as well. We're gonna boil until the sauce is starting to thicken up. It won't take much. It'll take maybe like 10-15 minutes of boiling. And then that's it. Ready to eat. Thanks for watching today. And don't forget, subscribe and like please. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.